with you. Let me tell you how to attract the negative now. Maybe you are interested in negative. I think you are interested in positive. You are interested maybe in negative. Let me teach you how to attract the negative spirit. The negative spirit, you can attract them by doing what? By cursing people. By wishing that your friend becomes poor. By wishing that people fall down. By wishing that some people must not move forward. Some of you have been engaged in traps. When evil spirits realize that positive spirits are using your body, they realize that how can these positive spirits move away from you? They made you to fall into a trap. Some of you just comes and just pushes you in the street, and then something says you must just, stab this person, push them, hit them, smack them. Only to find that when you're doing that, the spirit, evil spirit, woo-hoo, woo-hoo. Because there is no positive spirit that can reside inside of you if you are involved in violence. Violence that is not bringing peace. If it was war, you are saying you are in Ukraine, you are fighting that you don't get invaded, something else. There's a positive notion there. There is no spirit that is positive that will reside inside your body, comfortably so. If you are involved in what? In swearing people. If your language, if your voice as a person is not clean, if you depend on telling people nonsense, that people are full of rubbish. Me, I'm allowed to even teach these things. I'm allowed to even swear, just to make examples tonight. But you'll never hear me swearing because I'm doing it for good. So something done, so something bad can be justified. So you can kill someone, and it doesn't make you bad. It doesn't put you in a bad light because you killed to survive. So it's good for you. Good people, I hope you're still with me. I'm looking at my time. I've went over my time. But because I have to clarify a few things before. You see, that is why I go over my time. So your language, first of all, must be watch your language. Remember now, we're talking about how to keep God inside of you so that he can operate through you, show himself off through you. Watch your language, no swearing. I'm teaching you what is called taboos. Taboos of positive beings. That I was so fortunate that they told me at a very young age that, Refile, you must make sure that you don't do this. 1, 2, 1, 2. And even when I made something wrong, they came back. Do you see what you are doing? Now we will leave you, my boy. We'll leave you, my boy. But you don't have the courtesy of getting that inside of you. As time, that's why I say you must go to the hidden wisdom. Open your third eye here. Here. So, firstly, your language must be purified. What you say with your mouth. Because when God is inside of you now, that means he sees through you, he hears through you, he talks through you. Your mouth must be protected. You cannot swear people. You cannot wish anyone any bad luck. You cannot, no matter how angry you are, you cannot say to someone, he will see, he will suffer, you made a mistake. You go against the laws of nature. While we're still in the topic of God being, your mouthpiece being used by positive benevolent beings, we start to realize something again. Let me quickly just check something here. We start to realize something again while we're still on the topic. We start to realize something again that human beings also, now I think we're done with language. Let's put language aside. Language. The video will be recorded, please people, don't worry. I'll save it. Let me quickly check my guys on Facebook. What do they say? Language. We are done with language. I said your language must be what? Pure. Done. Thank you. Bye. If you don't do that, it's up to you. Many people, they are full of swearing words. They are put, and in a good way. And hip hop came with that as well. But that's when I understood that this hip hop and these other systems, they're a problem. They are a problem. Maybe they started right, which I believe they started right, but they became wrong in the process. Because they make us to do the things that will entertain the evil spirit. Yo, nigga, what the fuck, nigga? Yeah, that bitch. Calling a woman a bitch. There's a problem in that. Okay, I think we're on the right track. So hip hop, you can listen to it. Rather, don't talk. Don't also mention. Also, don't mention women. What are that? Don't be saying also what the fuck. Just keep quiet. Just keep quiet. Just keep quiet. Just listen to the beats. Just listen to the beat if you like it. Or you can talk the lyrics, but in the middle when it talks swearing, you're not part of it. Don't entertain that. It's a trap. Biggest trap ever. And they are being rewarded by the evil spirits for doing that. Remember, now, the more evil spirits now, you do evil things, the more evil things that you do, you say, the evil stays inside of you. So at one point, the evil will be more higher than the positive through these things. So, just to re-clarify, good people, your language must be good. That's number one. Number two, people don't know. There are some ways that, I'm very shy. There are some ways that I don't want to use, because I'm very, very shy. There are some ways I don't want to use because I'm very shy. But let me just say, when you, there are some things, let me just check my guys on Facebook. What are they saying? Are they still okay? There are some things that you must not do also. If you want to keep a positive spirit. Let me tell you something that, remember, this is what they told me for me, that helped me. And I believe that it is mostly likely for the individuals that are on the call. I like to keep on just asking people if they're still with me. Let me quickly just check. Are you still with me, good people? I can see data is dying, data is dying, data is dying. Hey, shame, man. Guys say poverty is killing people, but it's lack of knowledge. So please, bear with me. Are you still with me? If you're still with me, just say, we're still with you, doctor. Go deeper. Those who still have data, shame, 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 shame. I'm checking my guys also on Facebook here. Let me see my people on Facebook, how they are. Are you still with me, my people? Are you still with me, my people? My lovely people. My lovely, lovely, lovely people. Let's see. I just want to check. I like to also look at myself here to see if you can see me. You'll find that you are watching me, but I'm not audible. Please continue. Go deeper, guys. I'm watching your comments. We're still with you. Okay, data is still there. I understand, guys. Poverty is killing people. And poverty is killing people because of our actions, as I'm telling you. The things that we are doing wrong as human beings. That is why poverty is killing our people. So, wait a bit. I'm quickly just checking also some few things here. So, are you still with me, guys? Still with you? Okay. I hope you're writing notes, eh? Huh? Now, I don't know. There's no one who will teach you these things anymore. The people who are supposed to teach you these things are the pastors, but they also, some of them, sold out. Some pastors sold out also. Some pastors, you think that they're working with you. I will find that this pastor is just working with evil spirits. It has nothing to do with. And their actions, they show that even when they say they hear from God, they don't hear actually from God, these people. They are hearing from other things. So he can be a prophet, he can be a good guy, say, oh, this pastor is powerful. But when you check his actions don't show that he's aligned with God. You start to doubt that this guy. But you, from the outside, you'll be impressed. Yeah. But when you study him with your evil, your spiritual eyes that are open, you start to see that this guy is not from God. So, guys, I can see we're still online here. That's good. This knowledge, I can see you just want it to be only you are hearing this knowledge. Why you're not sharing this knowledge with people? Good people, 2022, I love this thing, 2022. Okay, so number 2. When you have money, I said to you, there's something that I wanted to teach you, but I'm scared to teach about it because I don't like the language, but it's about sleeping with someone. Do you know that when you sleep with someone, there are some things that you must do and there are some things that you must not do? Because the minute I say to you, God, you are the mouth. When God speaks to people, he uses your mouth. So that means your mouth must be fully protected. It must not go through negative things. Then I come with another thing that you must stop. Some of you are going to laugh, but I'm trying not to say it. But let's go for it. Anyway, I'm coming to help you guys. I don't know, I'm helping you here. This thing of, if you want to keep him away from you, and if you want the positive beings to run away from you now. I said the word God, I'm interchanging it. It can be ancestor, it can be whatever that you believe in that is positive. Because me, I know better. You at your level, I want you to know with what you know. Let's use the name God. If you want him now, you see, if you want him now to run away from you properly, is when you are involved in what is called anal sex. This thing of Hey, I'm shy to talk about these things, but yeah, I'm helping you guys. Because they told me, hey, don't you ever dare for anything. This thing of sucking, hey guys, it's the quickest way to keep the positive spirits away. If you want to know, when God talks through you, He talks through you through the mouth. So the mouth, if it's engaged in this kind of silly acts, you must know that they don't want that. They don't want that at all. I can go deeper, but let me see the comments that people are saying. Hey, yeah, but you know yourself, this thing. Hey, guys, you are doing something wrong. People are doing wrong things with the lack of knowledge. They're doing wrong things with the lack of knowledge. Yeah? So nice. Ah, baby, I love you. Hey, you're doing something wrong. You don't know that. I love you, baby. I'll die with you. Hey. So nice at that time. Hey, guys, don't do that. You'll die young. You'll die young. And those beings, they don't like those. For them, it's nonsense. What human beings are doing nonsense. This is nonsense. We can't be with this guy. Let him suffer. Oh, so nice. That is why they say if you can check poor people, they're the best in bed. Those people, the beggars. Hey. Those people, they're the best. That's what they do. They master it. But they don't know that, they are doing something very boring. I loved it. It's tough. But at the time you're at that level, remember, it's so nice. You don't know that what you're doing is going to put you in deep nonsense. It's going to put you in deep nonsense. So let's continue. Hey, I see people laughing. I know. I don't like this topic. Actually, me, rather not. Yeah. Hey, you die young. You don't know. So, guys, let's continue to the second step. Now, I hope you heard that part. You heard me. If you don't get it, forget about it. Let's go to the next step. Let's go to the... Hey, Mr. Ben, I watched you. Let's go to the next step. Okay, guys. So, you don't do that. Boo, you die young. And even poverty, they'll play on top of your head because of it, they move away. But evil spirits, they love those things. So if umuntu twele, if umuntu that is someone yourself, someone who's having negative spirits that are working for you, and you love them. I said to you, some of you maybe you want negative spirits. You're not looking at me, I'm coming and wasting your time with positive spirits. You want negative. If you want that, then do those things. They'll be trying. When you do that, hey, they're dancing at the time. Hey, they're so happy. They're happy at the time, but hey, they know that So in due time, that is why there's some people that you meet with them, and in due time. And I so wish that some of you, your partners, can also do these things. Because you know, it's a problem that for you, you can be reconnected with the spirit, but your partner that you stay with or that you are with, that you are involved with, you know, sexually, is not connected, because you're going to go back. You're going to go back. You are going forward. You are moving forward. Things will move forward. But you'll go back because of now. What is happening is that you start to suck that negative spirit, that negative energy from the next person that you are with. You see, so you are moving forward as a person, but the person that you are with is taking you back. So I so wish that your partner also can follow what you are doing. This affirmation, they must also do them. They must also connect. You connect. Otherwise, rather be alone. That is why you see some rich people, they rather be alone. Because of they realize that lucky are they who are being told what not to do and what to do. So we go back again, guys. I said positive spirits inside of us have likes and dislikes. They have good and not good inside of us. They have good things that they love. There are some things that they don't like. So I spoke about the language. I spoke about those actions that we do when we are excited. Let's go to number 3 now. The issue of mind-altering substances. I hope you're still with me. The issue of the time is moving. Okay, it's fine. Hey, time is moving so much, guys. Okay, I'm happy that you're still on. Hey, this thing of missing 1 hour, I was just taking chances. That means you see why I want to open a church, but the church that I want to open is not the church that you are used to. It's a church where you guys will come and learn these things. Because these things, they don't teach you at church anymore. As I said, some of you, out of 1,000 pastors, prophets, and Even the gurus and swamis and other people, I don't want to lie to you guys, maybe 20, hey, maybe I'm even talking for them, maybe 10% are still genuine. They're still connected to the true source. Most of them. And the problem about listening and following someone who's connected to an evil source, and you're so happy to follow them, is that evil source falls onto you now. It falls onto your head. That anointing that they got from the evil source, when it overflows, it follows onto you now, the follower. And you do things that they also do. You find yourself having desire. So these things, they go inside of you. You just have a desire that, you know what? Let me just do this thing. Let me just do this. It comes to you like that. That is how these things go inside of us. And it's because of the people that we are following. That is why if you can check my following on Instagram, I don't follow a lot of people. I'm still going to follow people, but I follow people that I love, that I look up to, that I like what they're doing, you see. If someone, I start to see them posting things that are negative, that are not pure for me, I cannot allow my eyes to see negative things. So when I see those things, I unfollow those people. I'd rather have 100 follow. I can rather follow 100 people or 50 people who I know when they post motivational stuff. They post good stuff, you know, they motivate people rather than the person who will only post themselves naked. They post themselves, you know, doing so many negative things. So guys,